Welcome to another episode of Keep Calm and Mother On. This is a Breathe With Me episode, but for the summer, May, June, July, and maybe August, these episodes are not going to be guided Breathe With Me experiences. They're going to be Thoughtful Tuesdays, where I share with you a mindset thought, a phrase that I use to coach myself in the sticky moments of parenting and living. It's hard work being a human, and I am so glad that you are here on earth. But before we give today's thought, I want to give you a block breathing exercise. So wiggle your fingers and your toes, roll back your shoulders, unclench jaw, and put your hand on your heart and inhale. Hold, exhale, hold, inhale, hold, exhale, hold, inhale, hold, exhale, hold. Today's thought is from Lamott. Almost everything will work again if you unplug it for a few moments. That includes you. Go unplug. The world won't fall apart. You deserve it.